Warren Buffett, sir. Warren Buffett, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Share market king, the one of the richest person in the world. Okay. Now you won't see, you won't get much surprise by listening this word, because already calculation I showed. Okay. What that is? Warren Buffett total net worth at the time of printing this book, maybe 3 years or 4 years or 10 years before, 84.5 billion. $84.5 billion. Okay, remember, $84.5 billion is net worth of Warren Buffett. Okay, now after 65th birthday, okay, after his 65th birthday, how much earnings he got out of 84.5 billion is $81.5 billion he got after his 65th birthday only. So at the time of 65th birthday, his worth is okay, not just oddly $3.15 billion. $3.15 billion. Next, after 65th birthday, do you know compounding, then automatically what will happen is $81.5 billion got raised. Yes, forget it. This example. Of course, it's not a surprise. 30th iteration, 107 crores. 31th iteration, 214 crores. 32nd iteration, 418 crores. 428 crores. Okay, next iteration, 856 crores. Observe that carefully. That is the power of compounding. One of the most beautiful concept, friends. Okay, it's if you are going to use this compounding concept in your day-to-day activities, yes, the results is ultimate, unexpected, surprising results by default you are going to get.